Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Honda Civic guys. We're talking about that generation here from year 2016 to year 2021. If you have one of those and you need to find guys where the fuse for the blower motor fan is located, it's a special fuse that can be really expensive, hard to find. Stay with us, we'll explain where that fuse is located, where you can buy replacement fuses and relays. That way you don't waste your money guys. You can get them at a really good price, and we'll explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. All that will be covered in this video today for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. Before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. On this channel you will be able to find guys a video for every fuse on your Honda Civic guys, if you have that generation from year 2016 to year 2021. Why we make these videos? To save you time and money. Let's say you're down the road, you need a fuel pump fuse, because without that fuse practically the car will not be running if it's blown. You can just search for it and find it instantly and know which fuse to check, because even in the manual, okay, the fuses are under different names that could be really hard to diagnose. Now, another thing guys, we're constantly working on things, taking engines apart, transmissions, fixing cars, and we have 3 channels that we have more than 1.1 million subscribers altogether on these channels guys, that we daily put content that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs as well. So let's go ahead, explain now where you can find all the fuses. Another thing now here guys, okay, you will have different kind of fuses on your Honda Civic guys. Some of those could be really hard to find. Okay, we're talking about some multi-fuses, multi-block fuses right here. Those could be really expensive, hard to find, impossible to find in small towns or in the middle of nowhere. Relays can be overpriced as well. So we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get practically all the fuses and relays at a really good price and quick shipping as well. That way you don't waste your money guys. So let's go ahead, start on it and explain about the fuses now. So the blower motor fan fuse, also known as heater fan fuse, will demonstrate where it's located on 2017 Honda Civic. You guys have 2 different fuse boxes, but we'll need to use the fuse box that's under the hood. If you open the hood on that Honda Civic, on the right side right here you have a fuse box. Let me zoom in a little bit right here, and that cover, if you remove that cover, the fuse box right here, okay, you will see fuse layout that looks just like this one. This is the front of your Honda Civic, this is towards the windshield side. Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So here now guys, you have fuses here, some relays you can see, you will have fuses here, but if you look right there, you will have those special fuses. Okay, those are known as multi-block fuses, and these fuses guys, okay, consist of multiple fuses. This one has 6, 7, and this one here has 6 fuses. So if one of those burns, let's say this one burns right here, okay, you will need to replace the whole fuse block. How you do that? You're going to go ahead, okay, unscrew that bolt, remove the bolt, pull the fuse block out. What that fuse block looks like, let me show you now, so you know what to expect. That's it right there guys. You can see each of the fuses, but unfortunately in order to inspect it you have to remove it. In order to replace one fuse you have to replace the whole fuse block. Now the fuse for the blower motor fan is located guys in that one that we just showed you right here, and if you come towards the very bottom, the first fuse right here, that 40 fuse, that's the one for the heater blower motor fan. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.